What if the most valuable resource powering your entire modern lifestyle isn't oil, gas, or gold, but a highly reactive silver-white metal light enough to float on water? Today, we are strip mining the planet to find it. Lithium sits at the absolute core of the global transition away from fossil fuels. Without this single element, the high-tech, electrified future we are building completely grinds to a sudden, permanent halt. Known to chemists as the lightest solid element on the periodic table, lithium possesses an incredible electrochemical potential. This unique atomic structure allows it to store immense amounts of energy inside a remarkably compact space. From the smartphone tucked inside your pocket to the massive multi-megawatt battery grids stabilizing national power networks, this elemental powerhouse has silently evolved into the absolute lifeblood of 21st century engineering and consumer technology. But securing enough of this critical resource is turning into one of the greatest engineering, logistical, and geopolitical challenges of our age. The global race to dominate the lithium supply chain has officially begun. Its primary, most dominant modern application is in the manufacturing of advanced lithium-ion rechargeable battery cells. These batteries pack a serious punch. They deliver a high energy density, meaning they can hold significantly more power per kilogram than old-school nickel-cadmium or heavy lead-acid alternatives. This unmatched power-to-weight ratio is exactly why lithium-ion technology completely revolutionized portable consumer electronics throughout the late 1990s and the early 2000s, changing human communication forever. Today, a standard consumer smartphone utilizes approximately 2 to 3 grams of pure elemental lithium embedded inside its ultra-thin, high-capacity internal battery pack to maintain a day-long charge. But a massive electric vehicle requires a completely different scale of resource engineering. A single electric car battery pack requires roughly 8 to 10 kilograms of refined lithium to function effectively. Beyond vehicles and personal gadgets, massive utility-scale battery energy storage systems are now being deployed globally to store surplus power generated by volatile renewable energy installations. When the wind stops blowing or the sun goes down, these immense lithium-powered reserves instantly discharge electricity back into the grid, preventing catastrophic blackouts and maintaining structural grid stability. But lithium's unique material properties extend far beyond the battery sector. For decades, it has been used as a critical additive in high-temperature lubricating greases deployed in heavy industrial machinery. In the glass and ceramics industries, adding lithium oxide drastically lowers the thermal expansion coefficient of the material, making products highly resistant to intense heat and sudden thermal shock. It even plays a vital role in aerospace engineering, where specialized aluminum lithium alloys provide exceptional structural strength while remaining significantly lighter than traditional aerospace metals. The sheer diversity of these applications has triggered an absolute explosion in global demand. In the year 2020, worldwide lithium consumption sat at roughly 70,000 metric tons. By the year 2030, market analysts project that global demand will skyrocket past 2 million metric tons annually, representing an unprecedented vertical upward trajectory. The primary driver is the accelerating legislative shift toward electric transport. Multiple nations have finalized strict legal mandates to phase out internal combustion engine sales by 2035. Automotive giants are investing hundreds of billions of dollars to completely retool their assembly factories, creating a massive, insatiable hunger for raw battery metal stocks. This rapid scale-up has triggered intense corporate bidding wars, with major car manufacturers bypassing traditional suppliers to buy stakes directly in raw mining operations worldwide. So, where exactly on Earth does this elusive element come from? It turns out that lithium deposits are heavily concentrated in just a few specific geographic regions across the globe. The most famous source is the Lithium Triangle, a high-altitude arid region in South America that spans across parts of Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia. This single geographical zone contains over 50% of the world's known lithium reserves, locked deep beneath the crust within massive underground brine reservoirs. However, the world's current leading producer isn't in South America. Australia dominates global output, extracting vast quantities of lithium from hard rock mineral deposits. Other notable reserves are located in China, which controls both significant domestic extraction sites and an incredibly vast share of the global chemical refining infrastructure. Meanwhile, North America and Europe are scrambling to discover and develop their own domestic reserves to reduce their risky dependence on foreign supply chains. The engineering methods used to extract lithium from these two distinct types of sources are completely different, each presenting its own unique technical compromises. In the South American brine operations, massive pumps extract the lithium-rich liquid from deep underground and channel it into giant, shallow surface evaporation ponds. Over a period of 12 to 18 months, the intense desert sun evaporates the water, steadily concentrating the lithium content up to a highly workable level. While this solar-powered evaporation process is highly cost-effective, it requires billions of litres of water, creating severe environmental strains in incredibly arid desert ecosystems. In stark contrast, Australian hard rock spodumene extraction is an intensive, heavy-duty industrial mining operation utilising traditional blasting and heavy earth-moving equipment. The extracted rock is mechanically crushed, ground into a fine powder, and processed using advanced flotation techniques to create a premium spodumene concentrate. Once extracted, the raw material must undergo intensive chemical processing to be converted into battery-grade lithium carbonate or high-purity lithium hydroxide. This chemical refining phase requires absolute precision, as even microscopic levels of impurities can cause finished electric vehicle batteries to fail or catch fire. The refined lithium chemicals are blended with nickel, cobalt, and manganese to create the high-performance cathode powders that form the heart of battery cells. This is formed into sheets that are precision-cut, stacked, injected with liquid electrolyte, and hermetically sealed inside steel cylinders or flexible aluminum pouches. The finished cells undergo weeks of rigorous testing, measuring capacity, voltage stability, and thermal behavior before they are approved for final vehicle assembly. As millions of electric vehicles hit the roads, a critical question emerges. What happens to these massive battery packs when they reach the end of their operational lifespan? Discarding them in landfills is an ecological disaster, as toxic chemicals can leak into the environment, and damaged cells pose severe, unquenchable fire risks. This has driven the rapid rise of an advanced battery recycling industry, focused on recovering valuable elements from spent cells to build a sustainable circular economy. Recovered lithium can be infinitely recycled back into brand new, pristine battery cells with zero performance degradation, dramatically reducing the need for destructive new mining. Despite this massive potential, the lithium sector faces severe technical and economic hurdles, including extreme market price volatility that disrupts long-term mining investments. But if successful, these creative recycling and extraction techniques will ensure the world keeps moving smoothly without entirely depleting our natural geological reserves.